This is a no-build floor in my Chrysler Town & Country minivan. As shown in a different video, I assembled it with foam and carpet tiles, so this floor is not totally hard. And all I need to sleep comfortably is a thick yoga mat underneath a sleeping bag and an original Bones pillow. This was advertised as a chiropractic neck pillow, but I'm not so sure about those benefits. I like the fact that this pillow is compact and it's like getting two pillows in one. A thinner section in the middle for sleeping on your back and thicker parts at the ends for sleeping on your side. As for the yoga mat, this was the cheapest 1-inch thick yoga mat that I could find on Amazon. It's soft and cushy for making sleeping on the floor pretty comfortable, although sleeping on the side was not as comfortable. Because the material is soft, it can get torn very easily, and my dog walking on it will tear little pieces off, so it can't take a lot of abuse. This yoga mat is 24 inches wide, which is a standard width, but that was too narrow for my liking. So I looked for another one that was just as thick but wider. That was hard to find because most of the wider yoga mats were very thin, and when I found wide yoga mats that were both thick and at least 30 inches wide, they were quite expensive. So I decided if I'm going to spend that kind of money, I shouldn't make do with just the yoga mat, but get something that's actually meant for sleeping on top of. I bought this trifold mattress that's 30 inches wide. I bought it from Amazon on sale for around $43, but I've noticed that Amazon's pricing of this mattress fluctuates from around $42 to over $60 at any given time. This is a close-up of the trifold mattress so that you can see what type of material it's made out of and how it's been sewn together. This is the type of foam that's inside. And now for the sleep test. This is so comfortable. This is a view of how much space the trifold mattress takes up in my minivan. I wanted a mattress that was wide enough but not take up too much floor space since I have to share it with my dog.
Yeah. Sit. Sadie, sit. Down. Sadie, down. Good girl. Yeah. You have enough space to sleep, right?
Yep, this mattress size is perfect for my minivan. I'm used to sleeping on the floor, so to me, this mattress is really comfortable. This is how much space the mattress takes up when folded, which is how I would be traveling with it.